Hello, friends. I have our last couple of garden books to read to you today. The first book is called Chicken Said Cluck. This was written by Judy Ann Ackerman Grant, and the pictures were made by Sue Truesdale. I will grow a pumpkin, said Earl. I will grow 2 pumpkins, said Pearl. Chicken scratched the dirt. Shoo, said Earl. Shoo, shoo, said Pearl. Quack, 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 said the chicken. Earl dug the garden. Pearl planted the seeds. Chicken scratched the dirt. Shoo, said Earl. Shoo, shoo, said Pearl. Quack, 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 said Chicken. Earl watered the seeds. Pearl pulled the weeds. Chicken scratched the dirt. Shoo, said Earl. Shoo, shoo, said Pearl. Buck, 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 said Chicken. Earl's pumpkin grew. Pearl's pumpkin grew. Chicken scratched the dirt. Shoo, said Earl. Shoo, shoo, said Pearl. Buck, 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 said Chicken. Then one day, grasshoppers came. Jump in the garden, nibble. Jump on the pumpkins, nibble, nibble. Jump, 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 nibble, nibble, nibble. Shoo, said Earl. Shoo, shoo, said Pearl. The grasshoppers stayed. Chicken said, "What?" One grasshopper jumped. Chicken said, "Boop, boop." 2 grasshoppers jumped. Chicken said, "Boop, boop, boop." Jump, jump, jump. Earl gave Chicken 1 pumpkin. Pearl gave Chicken 2 pumpkins. Chicken scratched the dirt. The next book I have is called The Flower That Finally Grew. This was written and illustrated by Ron White. It was spring, and more than anything else, I wanted a flower all my own. I found a seed somewhere. In a secret place, I dug a hole and planted the seed. I watered it. I shooed away bugs. I watched the clouds moving across the sky. I watched the sunshine every day. And so I waited, and I waited, and I waited, and I waited to see if the seed would grow. Early in the morning, late at night, I watched and waited, but nothing happened. My mother said, "You shouldn't watch your seed all day." My father said, "Why don't you go play with your friends?" My aunt said, "It's spring. You should be with your friends." My grandmother and grandfather said, "You should be with your friends. Go play." I said, "But my flower. If I don't watch it and guard it and water it, my flower won't grow." But my family said, "It's summertime. Go play with your friends." So I did. I played with a friend and forgot to water the seed. But it rained now and then, so that was all right. I played with lots of friends. And it was all right. In the autumn, when I was tired from so much playing and my friends were gone, I wanted to rest the whole winter long. I remembered the seed and the flower that wouldn't grow. So I went to the secret place. There was the flower, blooming and full of light. Now all winter long when I am kept indoors, I can look out and see. Blooming out of the snow, as warm as the palm of my hand, on my face, the flower that finally grew. Here's our last story for today, friends. It is called Bloom Boom, and it's by one of our authors. We've read a lot of books by her this year, April Pulley Sayre. Every spring across the land, seeds sprout, stems pop out. Bloom, boom. Leaves emerge, stalks surge. Bloom, boom. Plants rise, shapes surprise. Everybody say it with me. Bloom, boom. Bulbs send, tips extend. Should we say it again? Let's say it again. Bloom, boom. Buds grow, blossoms show. Here we go again. Bloom, boom. Petals curve, insects swerve. You know what to say, right? Bloom, boom. Colors call, fragrance flies. Welcome, birds and butterflies. Sun rays warm, flowers form. Bloom, boom. All right, my friends, that's all we have time for now. Goodbye.